Yes, the wraps are off and I give you my Coronation chicken burger. Now, the inspiration for my burger comes from a recipe that was introduced in 1953, and it was served at the many banquets celebrating the coronation of our Queen, Queen Elizabeth II, hence the name. Now, for those of you who may not be familiar with this dish, it consists of cold cooked chicken laced with a curry mayonnaise and served with a fresh green leaf salad. And that is an oversimplified description. The original version by Constance Spry and Rosemary Hume was far more complex. Way back in 1953, burgers hadn't even reached our shores. The first burger bar in the UK didn't open until 1 year later, 1954. All winter I've been experimenting, trying to create that unmistakable flavour of Coronation chicken in a burger. Yes, I think I've nailed it. I've achieved that fruity, mild curry flavour which adds just a bit of zing to a tasty chicken burger. Well, that's enough talking, so let's get making these delicious burgers over in the kitchen. First, a bit of prep work. I'm chopping coriander with my trusty mezzaluna. You know, coriander is one of those herbs. You either hate it or you love it. Well, I like it for adding that unmistakable bit of earthy flavour. To the mixing bowl, I'm adding 175 grams of minced chicken and 175 grams of sausage meat. Next, 2 tablespoons of the chopped coriander, followed by 2 tablespoons of mild curry powder. Then half a cup of dried apricots, plus half a cup of raisins. Fix the bowl to my vintage mixer and attach the beater. Now mix well until all the ingredients are combined. I'm cutting the mixture into quarters to make my 4 burger patties. With my hands, I'm rolling into a nice even ball. That's 1 done, 3 more to go. And there are my curry-coloured hands. It's into the burger press. A good press down. That's the first one down, 3 more to go. Two of these burgers are going into a zipper bag and then into the freezer for another day. And the other 2, it's onto a plate and into the fridge for about half an hour to firm up. Whilst they're firming up, I'm using my latest bit of kit to make the curry mayonnaise. Into the small bowl, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of curry paste, followed by 2 tablespoons of lime pickle and 1 tablespoon of apricot jam, and finally a tablespoon of chopped coriander. Give it all a quick whiz to combine. I know, at this stage it doesn't look very appetising. Just you wait a minute. By adding a tablespoon of mayo and mixing it in, now it's beginning to look the right colour. I could have made my own mayo, but as there's quite a large jar in the fridge, I decided to be lazy and use it. A little bit more mayo, as I'm looking for a lighter colour here. I'm now going to taste it to check the flavour. That's about right. So with the sauce made, it's time to get the burgers out of the fridge. Outside, the barbecue has been warming up. I have some wood pellets in the smoker pot, and they're smoking nicely. Before the burgers go onto the grill, I always give them a coating of oil. Just listen to that sizzle. I'll give them a couple of minutes before I flip them. I must say, they're looking really good. Pop the buns on the grill to toast. It's always advisable to check the internal temperature of any meat before removing from the grill. Chicken should be at least 74 degrees C. Hang on, I can smell something burning. I forgot the buns. They're well toasted, to say the least. The burgers are done nicely. And the smell? Well, my mouth's watering already. To assemble everything, first it's a dollop of curry mayo on this well toasted bun. Then a burger. More curry mayo. This is all about the flavour. Some fresh green salad leaves. And the other half of the bun with a coating of curry mayo. And there you have my delicious Coronation chicken burgers. Coming soon on this channel, I'll be using my new Weber accessory for the very first time. I know you won't want to miss it, so go on, click the button and the bell, and I promise you won't miss a thing. Well, that's all for now. So from the dude with the food, it's goodbye and thanks for watching.